Have you been thinking about moving to Charlotte, North Carolina, but you're looking for an area that's quiet, serene, but still in the heart of Charlotte, North Carolina? I'm standing in front of Griffith Lakes. These lakes are the reason that this community, Griffith Lakes, got its name. And today we're going to check out a new floor plan that they've just released. It's incredible to think that just 10 years ago, I too was a transplant migrating from New York City to Charlotte. I created this channel for people just like you and me who are also considering making a move to Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. If you've been thinking about making a move here, I'd love to connect with you to give you more intel about what it's like to live here. This channel right here shows you so much about the inner workings of living in Charlotte. If you haven't had a moment to subscribe to the channel yet, please consider doing so right now so you can continue learning more about this incredible place to live. Now, let's check out the floor plan here at Griffith Lakes. The Baden floor plan is one of several floor plans available here at Griffith Lakes by Toll Brothers. When this community is done, it will have 740 homes. This community is about 15 minutes from Uptown Charlotte and 20 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport. It is also a few minutes away from Lake Norman, about 15-20 minutes from Lake Norman. So it is very centrally located. Now, this floor plan right here is part of the Preserve Collection. It is called the Preserve Collection because the properties are all over 2,000 square feet. So you're ranging anywhere from 2,000 to 3,500 square feet in this collection. There are 3 collections that are single family homes. This right here is going to be your first bedroom of the 4 in this home. You can purchase this home as a single story home, or you can do a half story on top of it. So it is a story and a half. There is also going to be 3 full bathrooms in this home, as well as a half bath. This is another secondary bedroom. It is all the way in the front of the house, which gives a nice separation from the primary in the back. Now, Griffith Lakes, like I said, was named because the 2 lakes that are on this property are called Griffith Lakes. And so that will be somewhere where you can kayak launch. I saw people fishing there. So this community is going to be very, very suitable for people who want a lot of amenities. It's going to be a community pool here, a bocce ball court. There are tennis courts, pickleball courts, grilling. So there's going to be a lot to do in this community. Now, it will not get built until 2025, but just know that the amenity center is going to be a showstopper. This is the powder room right here. So this is going to service your guests. And then you have your great room, that beautiful fireplace from the floor to the ceiling, as well as the built-in cabinets plus the shelving. All of that is going to be extra at the design center. But I mean, there is no limit to what you can do. Of course, you need to consider your budget, because the more you add, the more that price is going to increase. And so you really have to be considerate of your budget, because the design center will blow you away. This right here is a dining room area. You can use it as a breakfast area, depending on how you and your family do dinner. If you do it at the table, at the island. This right here is your butler's pantry, where you can put wine, coffee, and then this huge room is your pantry. So plenty of space to put things in here. This community is located across the street from a huge shopping center called the Shops at Davis Lakes, and you'll find things like Harris Teeter, Smoothie King, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, burn boot camp. So there's a lot to do right across the street. So you are within minutes of retail. This back here is going to be the outdoor patio. All of the features that you see beyond this concrete patio, right on the outside of the door, is going to be aftermarket types of things. These are not something that Toll Brothers offers, but they are giving you an idea of what you can do and really make this area very, very livable. That waterfall island is beautiful. Most builders do not give you the option of doing the waterfall island, so I love that Toll Brothers did include that feature. They are known for luxury homes, and so they're an excellent builder to really consider building a home with. Now this right here, this is your primary. You have the option of that tray ceiling, the beautiful tray ceiling. It does have wood inside. Again, all of these things can get very pricey, so consider what you must have, so your must-haves versus things that you can live without, or you can do after, once you kind of like add on projects later on. This tiled shower is beautiful. They used the tile horizontally. You saw in the other bathroom they used it vertically. Love this aqua tile with the bench inside. And that was a pretty good size walk-in closet. And then this also has that water closet. Now we're going to go through that great room and head over to the second floor. So this is going to be a half story, so it is not a full second floor. This right here is going to be an additional storage closet, and the Baden does give you a 2-car garage. Now, one of my favorite things about this particular community is that it offers ranch homes, but not in a 55+ setting. I have several clients that they do not want to be in a 55+ community because they don't want the restrictions that come with it. Things like, you cannot have grandchildren or children under the age of 18 living in the home. So that is something that some clients, they want the ranch setting, but they do not want the restrictions that come with it. So this is the second story. And the first thing you see here is a loft space. So this can be a recreational space, a TV watching area. It could be an extra place for people to sleep when you have a big event and you really need to kind of pack everyone in. And then back here, you have a full-size bathroom. So you have your vanity and your shower. So this right here, this whole section can service someone that's staying up there. You also have a bedroom back here. And there's such a great job on this bedroom. It's super cute. You don't typically see this type of decor. But that's the job of a model home, right? To give you all the visuals so that you could imagine the way you would be using the space. If this community sounds like a dream, you are in luck because there are tons more homes to be built in this community. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me using any of the contact information below. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can continue learning more about our wonderful city of Charlotte. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.